Very good. Well done. We're not finished. There is also an even higher part. And do you know what? It's so special. It even starts before all the other parts. But luckily, the words are pretty much the same. It's going to be right up there with our high voices. I'm singing it down here because I've got a lower voice than you. You're going to be up here. Go, nya, 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 nya. That's as high as you need to go for this song. So it's not super high, but you've got to sit up straight. Don't shout, just gently. Sing it softly and gently. I'll sing it, you sing it back. Say, Shosholoza. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Shosholoza. Next bit. Me, then you. It's quite smooth and soaring. You've got to take really good breaths. So I'll sing it, you sing it back. Kules on taba stimela. Listen to those lovely long notes. Kules on taba stimela. 1, 2, 3. Kules on taba stimela. Very good. We're going to go up even higher on a little walk for our Wenuya Baleka. You're going to go Wenuya Baleka. Except you're going to use your high voice. Wenuya Baleka. Gorgeous. If you want to sing it down low, that's okay too. You choose. You do whatever's most comfy for you. Me, then you. Wenuya Baleka. You'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. Wenuya Baleka. Then it's the same. Kules on taba stimela. You'll go 1, 2. Kules on taba stimela. Feels a little bit weird, this part, but when you hear it fit with the other parts, it really works. So let's learn it. I'll sing a longer bit and you sing it back. You'll get it really quick. Me then you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shosholoza. Kules on taba stimela. You'll go 2, 3, 4. Shosholoza. Kules on taba stimela. Good. Second half. Wenuya Baleka. Me then you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wenuya Baleka. Kules on taba stimela. You'll go 2, 3, 4. Wenuya Baleka. Kules on taba stimela. Good. So we put those two bits together, the Shosholoza bit and the Wenuya Baleka bit, just like the other one. So the whole thing goes. You can sing it with me now because you know it. Ready? We'll sing it all the way through 2 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shosholoza. Kules on taba stimela. Wenuya Baleka. Kules on taba stimela. Sing it again. Shosholoza. Kules on taba stimela. Sipume South Africa. Wenuya Baleka. Kules on taba stimela. Sipume South Africa. Shosholoza. Kules on taba stimela. Sipume South Africa. Wenuya Baleka. Kules on taba stimela. Sipume South Africa. Brilliant! Amazing! Wonderful! Fantastic! Really well done. Thank you. That is the end of our sing for today. You are very welcome to check out the lower phase singing assembly for this week, and go back and check out the ones from previous weeks as well. They're all there, along with other cool music ideas, on the School Music blog, www.musicatrusmore.blogspot.com. You can also find brilliant recordings of this song on YouTube, on Spotify. There's a version of Shosholoza by the Soweto Gospel Choir that I really like, but there are loads and loads of recordings because this is a really, really, really famous song that's been sung for years and years and years. So go and find some versions of it that you like. Good. Thank you very much. Have a lovely week, guys, and I will sing with you next week. Bye. Shosholoza, kule zontaba, simela, sipume South Africa. Kule zontaba, simela, sipume South Africa. Shosholoza, kule zontaba, simela, sipume South Africa. Kule zontaba, simela, sipume South Africa.